I have been using packing cubes for years. I can't imagine traveling without them as they make it so much easier to really get a lot in my bag, but also give me enough space that as I go on my trip, I can add more to my bag. They keep things more organized and they've just made traveling so much less stressful. So I'm thrilled that Epicka gifted me their TripCozy packing cube set. Let's go over all the details. Now this is a 6-pack, so you have a lot to work with here. I do find in general, I don't always use all of the packing cubes every trip, but I love the options and I definitely share them with my family. And you'll see with each packing cube that it has the zipper that opens and closes it. And then it has the extra zipper right here. And this is the expansion zipper. And it really can be used two ways. It can be used to expand the packing cube just for organization's sake. But the real point of doing this is you expand it while you're packing it. And then once you have everything in it and you have it zipped closed at the top, then you zip this down, and that's what compresses all your clothing down and makes it pack more cleanly. Now I'm going to put that to the test in a moment, but let me show you all the bags you get. Now this first one that I just opened up is a really, really nice size. This one, in my opinion, is great for if you're going somewhere tropical. You could actually fit everything you want in this single bag. Or if you're going somewhere cold, this would be great to pack down a bunch of sweaters, really keep things all contained. To me, this is not one of the small packing cubes that you can use for a single outfit. I know those are here as well, so I'll get to those, but let's see what else we got here. And this one is enormous. As you can see, it packs down real flat, but when you open it up, that is one huge packing cube. You really can pack everything in this. What I do like about this one is if you have dress shirts or anything that you want to keep on the hanger, dresses, you can actually keep the hanger in this packing cube as well, put it in, flatten it down, you're good to go. And then you have 4 more. And these really are amazing sizes. These two in particular are the sizes I'm more used to, as these can definitely fit a single outfit, especially in a cold place or maybe a couple outfits. I love these 2 sizes. And then these small sizes are fantastic. You could use one of these for socks, underwear, things like that. Maybe scarves and hats. You really have unlimited options with these packing cubes. They just make it easier. And as I've been unzipping all of these, I am loving the quality and the details. So let me go over those real quick. With each, you have really, really nice zippers. They are super smooth and clean both ways. They have really nice handles on them, definitely designed to last. And I'm really loving that every single bag has this handle and that they all have this mesh front so you can see what's in each bag. As once you pack all these bags, it can become guesswork real quick. And when you compress a bag, the last thing you want to do is go through the trouble of opening it if it's not the right bag. Now let me test packing these up, and I'm going to do that with some of my daughter's sweaters. Now here's her pile of sweaters. If I threw this in a suitcase, I could potentially squish it down, but it doesn't actually squish down that much. So let me see what a compression cube can do. And I'm thinking these might be too much and these might be a little too small for this selection. So I actually think I'm gonna get rid of one of them and see if all of this can go in this packing cube. Let's go. So I'll just open up the top. And you really can pack it however you see best. And so I'm actually just going to give these a quick roll and stick them all in. And yeah, this is going to be tight, but I could have laid them flat. I could keep them folded, whatever's easiest. And as you can see, those are taking a lot of space. So it will be interesting to see if I can compress this, but let's zip it in. And even that alone, even if I can't compress it, already has shrunk that unruly pile of sweaters into something that's very easy to control, very easy to pack. Let's see if I can compress this. And to do that, I really am just gonna kind of push in the zipper and start going. And one of my favorite parts about this, and what I'm really noticing, is this has very, very strong fabric and zippers. So it really can handle a lot of pressure. I did it. I wasn't thinking I was gonna be able to get those in. That actually hurt my hands, but in no moment did I question that the Epicka bag could handle it. It was just whether I could handle it. Now, normally you would not pack them as tight as I just packed this, but I wanted to show you what was possible, and that definitely packed it all in real tight. All 3 of those sweaters are now in there. I can see them. It's not very obvious through the mesh, but I can tell what is in there. And how I recommend using these is not overpacking them like I just did. Instead, pack them a little more lightly so they are compressing, but not super compressing on the beginning of your travels, because if you want to get anything during travel, you can take advantage of just how well they can pack down when you get more items. But I am incredibly impressed at how well this Epicka packing cube packed that all down. That is definitely a step up. It is super, super sturdy, really high quality polyester. I think you're going to love these packing cubes. Let me just show you again how much I packed into this by opening the front, and immediately it all poofs out. We have those 3 sweaters. So much in one little packing cube. Epicka has done a fantastic job, and I know you'll love these if you are looking at travel packing cubes.